So I just did a unboxing of my Amazon package because I'm buying stuff for my Christmas gift to myself. So these are some of the stuff I got. I had to get the tools. They're so cute. So yeah, I got those. They come with different color handles. Really cool to go with that. And so because I'm adding stickers to my shop, I know I gotta get some of the stuff. I tested some stickers. They came out so cute. I'm gonna now laminate them because I want them to be waterproof to go in resin and stuff like that with my silicone mold. They are so cute and they stick so good. So I'm gonna stick to this brand, and I use online. You see my other video, check it out. With online labels. So far they did good. Yeah, I'm proud of them. So now I'm gonna laminate them and stuff like that with this big guys. Ooh. So yeah, I'm gonna use this and see how this works, because you know this is gonna be the first. It is so heavy. There is so much in here. There's so much pouches. Ooh, my stickers all over the place. And then I bought to try. I bought printable vine from them. So I'm gonna try them out. It's supposed to be glossy. It's just 20 in here, and I saw this big transfer tape. It is so much. It is, the feet is this so much. Yeah, that's good. And then I still have another package coming today with other little stuff. I think it's the glitter, the holographic, yeah, things. So they have this in here. This is the laminator tool, the laminator from Amazon Basics. So I'm not trying to spend a bunch of money, and I hear this is good enough. It's good. So yeah, so we have the laminator here. Secure. We're gonna try all these things out. I might do videos of each thing and talk about each thing that I got here. But yeah, good size. Yeah. All right, guys. Keep you posted on these stickers.